Sunday morning, walking around with his camera. In the finally made we're hang on, it's 1:40. We're about to head out to this oh, hang on, Tig, sorry, have a look over there. You see the cars going up? There's a falcon buzzing around, but you might in due course. You see how the road, there's the falcon right there near the light, but the road zigzags virtually all the way up there. You might be able to see the car there eventually. That's the bikes and everything else that we didn't get to use. The rain has largely cleared. No, you're not going to see a car there. I'll just move around here. We're going to, well, that'd be a nice picky straight across there. There's a bit of a zigzag going on. What a splendiferous location, I must say. Jasmine. What's that? Can't remember who did Summer Breeze. Those two blokes. The lake's over there in the distance, and continues on. Some interesting geology, I must say. This is where we're going to have some munchies. Nice little plate of gnocchi, I reckon. Ristorante della Carne Salada di Cologna. Restaurant of the meat carne salada. What the bloody hell's that? Whatever. Anyway, here's Claudia. Standing on a rock or a ledge, and I'm just filming. We're at 10 or Lago di Garda. I'm not too sure where we are. But have a look at this. This is heaven on earth. Gotta be. Check it out. Look at the lake over there. It's Garda. The rock formations, the little switchbacks, the vineyards. Beautiful rustic little town. There's stuff over there. Wow. Wish you were all here. We will be. Hey, at the place where we had lunch, which was unreal, views like this, summer season, €129 a night for two, breakfast included. Bargain. Worth at least 2 nights there. This is so unlike Lago di Garda we saw when we went out with Mick and Alan and Andrea.